One bad truck purchase can quietly drain thousands of dollars from your wallet. And the worst part? Some of the biggest names in America are on this list. Stick around, because avoiding these 12 trucks could save you serious time, stress, and money. Number 12. Older Toyota Tundra V8 years. Wait, a Toyota on an avoid list? That sounds almost wrong, doesn't it? That's exactly why older Toyota Tundra V8 years catch people off guard. Toyota built its reputation on reliability, so a lot of buyers assume every Tundra is automatically a safe bet. But some older model years had transmission cooling failures and engine-related problems that could become expensive nightmares once mileage climbed. And if the truck spent years towing heavy loads, things could get ugly fast. On the outside, these trucks still look absolutely bulletproof. That's where people get trapped. Instead of trusting the badge alone, smart buyers dig into the exact year and engine combination. Because sometimes the truck everyone swears is unbreakable hides repair bills waiting around the corner. But Toyota isn't the only truck with a hidden surprise under the hood. Number 11. Nissan Frontier from the late 2000s. The late 2000s Nissan Frontier looked like a bargain hunter's dream. Tough styling, mid-size practicality, and prices that seemed almost too good to ignore. Turns out, that last part mattered. The 2005 to 2010 Frontier became notorious for one major problem: radiator cooler failures that could allow coolant to mix into the transmission. Truck enthusiasts gave it a nickname, the strawberry milkshake of death. And trust me, that name wasn't earned for nothing. Once coolant contaminated the transmission, clutch plates could fail, and repair bills could skyrocket. Suddenly, the cheap trucks sitting on the lot didn't look so cheap anymore. And speaking of trucks that looked like smart buys at first glance, one of America's biggest names is next. Number 10. Older Ford F-150 5.4-liter Triton. The Ford F-150 has been America's truck for decades. So finding a cheap, older F-150 feels like striking gold. But the 2004 through 2008 models with the 5.4-liter 3-valve Triton V8, that's where many buyers learned an expensive lesson. Spark plugs breaking during removal, timing chain headaches, and cam phaser failures turned this engine into one of Ford's most talked about problem children. And some repairs weren't just expensive, they were labor nightmares too. A healthy Triton could drive fine for years, but when the problem showed up, that great deal could quickly drain your wallet. But if you think gas truck repair bills hurt, wait until we step into the diesel world. Number 9. Older Ford Super Duty Diesel. The Ford Super Duty has always had that unstoppable workhorse image. Big body, huge towing capability, and enough road presence to make you feel like you own the highway. So when buyers see a cheap 2003 through 2005 Super Duty, especially with the 6.0-liter Power Stroke diesel, it feels like a steal. But here's where things changed. That engine was rushed during stricter emissions regulations, and over time, it developed a reputation for expensive headaches. Injectors, cooling components, and emissions hardware became common pain points. And diesel repairs aren't regular truck repairs. They hit your wallet hard. With these trucks, you're not just buying the truck, you're often inheriting every problem the previous owner left behind. And if expensive repairs sound bad, what happens when a truck gets overloaded with complexity? Number 8. Dodge Ram Heavy-Duty Complex Builds. Heavy-duty Ram trucks know how to make a first impression. Huge towing numbers, bold styling, luxury interiors. These things can feel like rolling office spaces that also happen to pull a house behind them. But here's the trade-off nobody talks about: complexity. Modern heavy-duty trucks pack in more electronics, more systems, and more features than ever before. Sounds great, until something breaks. Owners have repeatedly pointed towards steering issues, suspension concerns, and repair patterns that slowly add up over time. And diagnosing modern systems isn't cheap either. The problem is keeping the truck on the road. If your truck is your livelihood, downtime hurts. Sometimes the simpler truck ends up being the smarter truck. But now we're moving from work trucks to something completely different: a pickup designed to make your weekends look cooler. Number 7. The Jeep Gladiator. On paper, the Jeep Gladiator sounds awesome. Removable doors, removable roof, serious off-road capability, over 11 inches of ground clearance, and enough water-fording ability to make flooded roads look less intimidating. Plus, with 285 horsepower and up to 7,700 pounds of towing, it isn't weak either. But the Gladiator feels more like a lifestyle truck than an all-around truck. Some owners mention driveline concerns, steering issues, suspension problems, and small electrical issues. And daily driving one can feel rough compared to rivals. So, if your weekends involve mud, trails, and adventure photos, it makes sense. But if you just want reliable, stress-free truck ownership, this can become a very expensive way to look cool. And speaking of trucks with huge popularity, the next one shocked a lot of people. Number 6. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is one of those trucks that seems to have something for everyone. Need a basic work truck? It has that. Want a luxury cruiser or an off-road monster? It has that too. With multiple engine choices and towing numbers reaching over 13,000 pounds, the Silverado sounds like a home run. But capability isn't the reason some people hesitate. The bigger concern comes after the purchase. Some owners have reported transmission complaints and ownership costs that can pile up over time. Add in a stiff ride on certain trims, and daily commuting can feel less comfortable than expected. That's what surprises people. You pay full-size truck money expecting full-size comfort, then realize some versions feel like compromises instead of everyday companions. But now, we go in the complete opposite direction, because the next truck is tiny compared to these giants. Number 5. The Ford Maverick. Can a budget-friendly, compact truck really do everything people expect from a pickup? That question is exactly why the Ford Maverick exploded in popularity. It's affordable, practical, easy to park, and feels much more city-friendly than a massive full-size truck. For commuters who occasionally need truck utility, it honestly makes a lot of sense. But then reality kicks in. Some buyers start treating it like a heavy-duty workhorse instead of the compact truck it was designed to be. Tow oversized loads, overwork it constantly, or expect F-150 toughness, and disappointment can show up fast. The Maverick itself isn't necessarily the problem, expectations are. If your life involves heavy trailers, non-stop hauling, or years of hard labor, saving money up front may turn into long-term frustration later. And now, things get futuristic, because the next truck feels more like a spaceship than a pickup. Number 4. The Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T almost feels like somebody gave a tech company permission to build a truck from scratch. Over 1,000 horsepower in some versions, massive range numbers, advanced off-road tech, and features like the kick turn make the spec sheet sound absolutely wild. Seriously, on paper, this thing looks like the future arriving early. But being an early buyer usually comes with a little uncertainty. Some owners have talked about electrical glitches, software bugs, and small feature-related issues that made them a bit uneasy. And when you're spending luxury car money on a truck, even small problems suddenly feel like big ones. Because nobody wants to drop 6 figures on a truck and then feel like they're testing a beta version. And speaking of mixing old-school trucks with new technology, the next one tried combining two worlds together. Number 3. The Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid. What if America's best-selling truck decided to mix muscle with efficiency? That was the whole idea behind the Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid. On paper, it sounds like a perfect combo. V6 power mixed with electric assistance for extra low-end torque, better fuel economy, and all the truck capability people expect from an F-150. And with Ford loading the truck with tech and towing features, it looked like the smartest version in the lineup. But some owners and experts have pointed to glitches involving hybrid components and battery-related systems, while regenerative braking can feel strange or jerky compared to a normal truck. And for people buying an F-150 to simply tow, commute, and work without headaches, more technology can sometimes mean more things that can eventually go wrong. And now comes a truck that shocked people for one reason: because it wore a Toyota badge. Number 2. The Toyota Tundra. Seeing a Toyota this close to the top of an avoid list seems almost unbelievable. For years, Toyota built a reputation around long-lasting, dependable trucks, so people naturally expect the newest Tundra to continue that story. And on paper, it absolutely looked ready. Strong towing numbers, up to 437 horsepower in hybrid form, aggressive styling, and Toyota's new twin-turbo V6 setup makes it feel like a serious competitor. But then concerns started appearing around the newer generation powertrain after the redesign. That's what makes this one tricky. The truck itself isn't lacking capability. The uncertainty comes from what happens years later. Because if you're spending premium truck money and planning to keep it for the long haul, doubts around major engine components suddenly become a very big deal. And now, we've reached number 1. And this truck checks almost every box buyers want, which is exactly why this ranking surprises people. Number 1. The Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is dangerously easy to fall in love with. Seriously, step inside one and you'll understand immediately. Comfortable seats, upscale materials, smooth ride quality, strong engine choices. It almost feels like a luxury SUV pretending to be a pickup truck. That's exactly why so many people get tempted. But hidden behind all that comfort is one recurring theme: complexity. Reports over the years have pointed toward electrical issues, transmission complaints, recalls, and expensive air suspension repair concerns. And once warranties disappear, those luxury features can suddenly become luxury repair bills. That's the painful part. A truck that feels premium on day one can become incredibly expensive later. Because sometimes the trucks that impress you the most at the dealership are the same ones that quietly drain your wallet afterward. So which truck on this list shocked you the most, and which one would you still buy anyway? Drop it in the comments. And if you're legally certified as a human and not secretly a dealership salesman, hit subscribe. On your screen now, our pick. Edmunds just ranked the 8 best sedans of 2026. Or let YouTube choose a video based on what it thinks you'll love next.